The first thing that we should be doing is we will be adding the new service for cart service. So inside the iService folder, we will be adding the new interface, which will be for iCart service. We will make sure that this is public, and then what will be all the methods that we want. If you recall from the product service, the return type will be task T because we use this on generics, and then we want the method name. So first one will be getCart by user ID. And if you want in the name, you can just mention async here. This will be on type T, so we'll have to write that. And what will be the parameters? This one expects a parameter of user ID, and then since everything is authorized, we will also pass token. You can mention here that if the token is not defined by default, set it to null. This looks good for one. Let me copy and paste this. Next method that we want is when we have to add anything to the shopping cart. So that will be add to cart async. At that time, we will be passing an object of cart DTO with all of the details. So we'll call this cart DTO. We will copy this again, paste it. If we have to update the cart, we will call the method update cart async. The last one that I want to implement is if we want to remove from cart async. So this will be remove from cart async, and it won't be a DTO, it will be the cart ID. So integer cart ID. Just to be clear, this will be the cart details ID. So make sure you remember that. Once we have the interface ready, let's implement this interface in the next video.